Hey guys, welcome to slide 4. We're going to start off. So you have already, well, actually, let me show you my document real quick. This is what your document should look like so far. Oh, excuse me. Your first and last name should be up here with the title of the document, which is Microsoft Word, and then the number of the document, which this year, which is 2025, we are on 4.6, I believe. And then you copied and pasted the fairy tale characters with the improper quotes next to them. So it just should look something like this. All right, so the first step that we're going to do here is we're going to change the font size of all of the text to 16 point and the font to Times New Roman. That should be pretty easy. If you're changing all of the text on a document, use your keyboard shortcut for select all, which is Control A. Notice how that selects everything. You're going to come up here. This is your font size. You're simply going to type in 16, enter, and then here I wanted you to choose Times New Roman. So as soon as you start typing in times, as soon as I hit that T, look at that, Times New Roman. If it doesn't come up that fast, just continue on TIM and it should pop up. Now, as soon as I hit that and it auto-populates, I'm just going to hit enter. And it will all change to the proper font. If you have, like, see how my alignment is off here, like my A, B, C, D, and E are all aligned properly and F is not, you're just going to take your cursor and put it in front of the F and then hit tab. Bam. And that should line up for you so that all of your letters here are in alignment. All right, what's our next step? Okay, so it says, now take each quote and put the correct saying with the correct person who said it by using cut and paste, people, not copy and paste. Cut and paste. Different. So basically, you might have to use Google for this. I should be better off with my fairy tales because I'm a mother of 3, but I'm not. I'm terrible. So if you need to Google who said what, feel free. The one that I do know is the little pig. So if I look at E, it says, the little pig said, someone's been sleeping in my bed. That is not what the little pig said. I know, because I used to love the 3 little pigs, that one of the 3 little pigs said, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. So I'm going to click and drag to select the not by the hair of my chinny chin chin quote. Notice I didn't grab the comma, but I did grab the opening quotation marks, the entire quote, the closing punctuation, the end punctuation there, and then that quote. Now, you're going to cut. Hopefully you remember the keyboard shortcut to cut is Control, yes, X. So we're going to hit Control X. That cuts it from there. And then I'm going to put my cursor where I want to insert it. So here, the little pig said, that comma's there. I'm going to go ahead and put my cursor there. That's in front of that other quote there. And I'm going to hit Control V. So now the little pig said, not by the hair of my chin chin chin, is in the right spot. Then I'm probably going to go ahead and grab this one. If I don't know who said it, Google it. Or phone a friend, ask a neighbor. Same thing, once you figure out who it is, Control X it, put it where it goes, Control V it, copy and paste. Okay. Okay, so I was going to keep going on to the next part, but you know what? I like to kind of break my videos up into smaller chunks. So, excuse me. I'm actually going to put those last 3 steps on a separate video. So you are done with this slide. See you on the next one.